Today's challenge is you guys are going to build sprites for your hero character. So you're going to build a sprite of the character walking up, a sprite of the character walking down, and a sprite of the character walking to just one direction, right or left. It doesn't matter. We can flip it around. So we're going to show you two different ways of doing that. One in Game Maker and the other in Piskel. You can choose to do whichever one of these two options you want to do. But you don't have to do it both in Piskel and in Game Maker. Just choose one. Okay, here we go with the tutorial. So this tutorial is for Game Maker. Open up the Game Maker software. Create a new game by selecting New under Getting Started. Be sure to select Drag and Drop and name your game. Save it in a location where you'll be able to find it later on, then press the Save button. On the far right side of the screen, find the folder that's named Sprites. Right-click on the word that says Sprites and select the first option, which is Create a New Sprite. To edit the sprite, select the Edit Sprite button. Select the color from the swatches on the right side of the palette. Also, check out the different brush sizes. Feel free to select any different brush size. And look for the eraser tool, the paint bucket drop tool, and the pencil tool. Those will be great resources for you as you build out your character. Once you've got your character made, let's start to animate him. We need to copy this image with the Command C. With the character in the new frame, we need to grab the selection tool. That's the box with the dots around the box. They're called marching ants. Go ahead and select that around the character. Once you've selected him, you can move him inside the frame to create an animation. Watch your animation by pressing the play symbol on the far left side of the screen. See how your character animates. Cool stuff, guys. Feel free to increase or decrease the speed that the character's animation cycle will be. Now, this is not how quickly they will move across the screen. This is how quickly they will animate. Once you finish, be sure to save your project. Now that you guys have done one direction, I want you to do the other directions. Be sure to create these in new sprites. Do not continue to make this character in this same sprite. It needs to be in a brand new sprite. So remember, we go to Sprites, right-click, Create New Sprite. Okay, awesome work. If you guys had problems, we're going to help you through those tomorrow. But I'm glad you guys got a chance to animate your characters moving. The next step, we are going to actually get your characters to move in Game Maker. So I'm excited to see you guys tomorrow. Good work, everyone.